Kids Learn with Fun channel. Kids, in today's video, we discuss about show and tell. Show and tell. So are you ready to know more about show and tell? Come with me.
Let's start show and tell. Show and tell is the practice of showing something to an audience and describing it to them. Our first topic is Christmas.
Everyone, my name is Shara Vadera. I am a student of Vedanta Dollars. Today I will tell you about Christmas. Christmas is a famous festival celebrated by Christians. It is celebrated on 25th of December. Jesus was born on this beautiful day. People made different dishes on this day. People decorate houses with a Christmas tree and flowers. Santa Claus gives gifts to children. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas.
Next, Peppa Pig.
Hello friends, my name is Yans Khanna. This is Peppa Pig. This is my favorite cartoon. She has 3 family members: Daddy Pig, Mama Pig, and George. She loves to jump in muddy puddles. I love Peppa Pig.
Once more.
I love Peppa Pig. Bye-bye.
Next, books.
Good evening everyone. My topic is book. Books are our best friend because they teach us good things. We learn from them and increase our knowledge. Reading books is a good habit. Reading books makes us happy. Books are the powerhouse of knowledge. Books are
Next, Engr.kit.
I am Pepa from Engr.kit. We are 5 members: Dada, Papa, Mama, Sunny and me. My favorite cartoon is Peppa. My favorite kid is Engr.kit. Community helper like electrician, plumber and carpenter. Use it. I also use it to prepare things. A hammer to fix the nails. Tools. Good morning everyone. My name is Vivan Purwal. Today I am going to show and tell about apple. Apple is red or green in color. It is sweet in taste. It has small seeds inside. It is a very healthy fruit. It grows in hilly areas. It is available normally in winter season. It is good source of vitamin and minerals. We can make juice and jam from it. It is said that an apple a day keeps doctor away. This is my favorite food. Thank you.
Thanks for watching, kids. Please do like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.